Okay, some of the apps are still revoked and some are signed. LazyMan is signed at the moment. I'm installing from Ignition because right now, at the moment, App Valley wasn't coming up at all. So to install, just click on it, and when it opens up, hit Get, and then wait a second, and when it says would like to install, just hit Install. And there it is installing. And hopefully it works because these apps just came back up. And not all of the apps are signed yet. And when I went to App Valley, I didn't get App Valley to come up at all yet. But hopefully that's just because they're getting their certificate signed. And almost there. Alright, and then when you try to open it up and you get the untrusted developer, just go into your settings, go to General, go to Profiles and Device Management, and then go all the way down to the bottom and find the one that it is, and just hit Trust. Hit Trust. And there it is.